In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Slack. By the end, you'll have your calendar working right inside Slack so you can see what's coming up, manage events, and even let Slack update your status automatically when you're busy. Start by installing the Google Calendar app from the Slack app directory. Open Slack on your desktop or in a browser, head to the app directory and search for Google Calendar. Select the official app and choose Add to Slack. This brings up a simple, guided setup so you don't have to hunt for settings later. Next, follow the prompts to connect your Google account. You'll be asked to sign in, pick the Google account you want to use, and grant permissions so Slack can read your calendar and post updates for you. This access is what allows Slack to show your schedule, send reminders, and keep your status in sync. If you manage multiple calendars, choose the one you want as your default. You can always revisit these choices in the app settings if your needs change, and you can disconnect access at any time. Once connected, your Google Calendar app in Slack becomes a control center. From its Home tab, you'll see your upcoming events with quick options to view details or join video calls. You can adjust notification preferences so you get helpful pings without being overwhelmed. For example, turn on reminders before meetings, a morning summary of your day, or notifications when events are updated or canceled. If you prefer fewer interruptions, keep only the most important alerts and rely on the daily overview. Managing events is straightforward. Open an event from the app to review the time, attendees, and meeting links. You can respond to invites directly in Slack, and your response is reflected in Google Calendar. If you make changes in Google Calendar, you'll see them update in Slack as well, keeping everything in sync. One of the best features is syncing your Slack status with your calendar availability. When you enable Status Sync, Slack automatically sets your status to show you're in a meeting and can optionally mute notifications during that time. This helps teammates know when you're busy without you lifting a finger. Make sure your time zone is correct so reminders and status updates line up with your schedule. That's it. Install the Google Calendar app, connect your Google account through the prompts, and start managing events, notifications, and automatic status from right inside Slack. Give it a try and enjoy a cleaner, smarter workflow.